We all use smartphones every day. But have you ever wondered what's happening behind that sleek touchscreen? It's like a mini computer, powered by the Android operating system. Understanding how it works can unlock a world of customization and control. Think of it like this: you can drive a car without knowing how the engine works, but understanding the engine lets you fine-tune performance, troubleshoot issues, and even add custom modifications. The same goes for your Android phone. Delving into its internals allows you to debug apps, manage files, customize settings, and even boost performance. So buckle up as we explore the fascinating world of Android OS internals. Ever wished you could control your phone from your computer? Imagine being able to manage your phone's files, install apps, or even troubleshoot issues without ever touching the device itself. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's not just a fantasy. This is entirely possible, and it's easier than you might think. That's where ADB comes in. ADB, or Android Debug Bridge, is a powerful tool that acts as a bridge between your Android device and your computer. It allows you to send a wide range of commands to your phone, making it an indispensable tool for developers and tech enthusiasts alike. It's like a direct line of communication between your phone and your computer, letting you send commands and transfer data. Whether you want to install an app directly from your computer, transfer files, or even access the phone's system files, ADB makes it all possible. First things first, you'll need to enable developer options on your phone. This is a hidden menu that provides access to advanced settings and tools. To enable it, go to your phone's settings, find the About Phone section, and tap on the build number multiple times until you see a message saying that developer options have been enabled. This unlocks a hidden menu with powerful tools including USB debugging, which is essential for ADB. USB debugging allows your phone to communicate with your computer over a USB connection, enabling you to send commands and transfer data. Once that's done, connect your phone to your computer using a USB cable. Make sure you use a good quality cable to avoid any connection issues. Your phone might prompt you to allow USB debugging. Make sure to grant the permission. Download and install the ADB tools on your computer. These tools are available for Windows, Mac, and Linux, and you can find them on the official Android developer website. Follow the installation instructions carefully to ensure everything is set up correctly. Open a command prompt or terminal and type ADB devices. This command will list all the devices connected to your computer that have USB debugging enabled. If your device appears in the list, it means the connection is successful and you're ready to start using ADB. If you see your device listed, you're good to go. This means your computer can now communicate with your phone and you can start sending ADB commands. This is where the real fun begins. Now you can use ADB commands to install apps, push and pull files, access the device shell, and much more. For example, you can install an app by typing ADB install followed by the path to the app's APK file. You can also transfer files between your phone and computer using ADB push and ADB pull commands. It's like having a secret passage to your phone's inner workings. With ADB, you can explore and manipulate your phone system in ways that are not possible through the standard user interface. Whether you're a developer looking to test your apps or a tech enthusiast wanting to explore your device's capabilities, ADB opens up a world of possibilities. Imagine having complete control over your phone, like removing pre-installed apps, customizing system settings, and tailoring your device to fit your unique needs. You can even go a step further by flashing custom ROMs, which can completely transform the look and feel of your device, offering features and optimizations that are not available in the stock version. This is the power of rooting. Rooting your Android phone opens up a world of possibilities, giving you the freedom to modify your device in ways that were previously unimaginable. Rooting essentially gives you administrative privileges on your Android device, similar to having full control over a computer's operating system. It's like having the keys to the kingdom. With these keys, you can unlock hidden features, improve performance, and even extend the lifespan of your device. But with great power comes great responsibility. Rooting is not without its risks, and it's important to proceed with caution. Before you root, it's crucial to understand the risks involved. Rooting can expose your device to security vulnerabilities, and if not done correctly, it can lead to serious issues. One of the most significant risks is that rooting can void your warranty, meaning that if something goes wrong, you may not be able to get support from the manufacturer. Additionally, there's the potential to brick your device, rendering it unusable if the rooting process is not followed correctly. The rooting process varies depending on your device model, so it's essential to follow a guide specific to your phone. Generally, the process involves unlocking the bootloader, which is the first step in gaining root access. After unlocking the bootloader, you'll need to flash a custom recovery image, which allows you to install custom software. This custom software can include tools like SuperSU, which manage root access for different apps, giving you control over which apps can use root permissions. With SuperSU, you can ensure that only trusted apps have root access, adding an extra layer of security to your rooted device. Rooting can be a rewarding experience, but it's important to weigh the benefits against the risks and proceed with caution. Ever wondered where all your apps, photos, and files are stored on your phone? Android uses a structured storage system to keep everything organized. At the top level is the internal storage, which is like your phone's hard drive. It's divided into several partitions, each with a specific purpose. The system partition houses the Android operating system itself. The data partition stores your apps, settings, and personal files. And the cache partition holds temporary files used by apps. In addition to internal storage, many Android devices also have external storage like a micro SD card. This provides extra space for storing media files, documents, and even apps. Section 5. Application Data Storage, Organizing Your Digital Life. In today's digital age, our smartphones have become an essential part of our daily lives. They hold a treasure trove of information, from personal photos and videos to important documents and app data. Keeping this data organized is crucial for maintaining the efficiency and performance of your device. Each app on your phone needs a place to store its data, settings, and files. This storage is vital for the app to function correctly and provide a seamless user experience. Without proper data storage, apps would lose their settings, user preferences, and other essential information every time you close them. Android provides several options for app developers to choose from. These options ensure that apps can store data in a way that best suits their needs and the needs of the user. By understanding these storage options, you can better manage your device's storage and ensure that your apps run smoothly. Shared preferences are used to store small pieces of data like user preferences or app settings. This type of storage is ideal for saving simple data, such as whether you've enabled dark mode or your preferred language settings. It's a lightweight and efficient way to keep track of these small but important details. Internal storage provides a private space for each app to store files that are not accessible to other apps. This is where apps can save more substantial data, such as downloaded files, cached images, or other app-specific information. Internal storage is secure and ensures that your data remains private and protected. External storage, like the micro SD card, offers a shared space for storing larger files such as photos, videos, and music. This type of storage is perfect for media files that can take up a significant amount of space. By using external storage, you can free up internal storage for more critical app data and improve your device's performance. And for storing structured data, like contacts or messages, Android provides the SQLite database. This powerful storage option allows apps to manage complex data efficiently. SQLite databases are used by many apps to store and retrieve data quickly, ensuring that your information is always accessible when you need it. Understanding how apps store data can be helpful when troubleshooting issues or managing storage space on your device. By knowing where your data is stored and how it is managed, you can make informed decisions about which files to keep, which to delete, and how to optimize your device's storage. This knowledge can also help you resolve common issues, such as running out of storage space or dealing with app crashes. Keeping your digital life organized not only enhances your user experience but also extends the lifespan of your device. Section 6. Android File Systems, the building blocks of data. Just like your computer, Android uses file systems to organize and store data on its storage partitions. These file systems define how files are named, stored, and accessed. One of the most common file systems used in Android is ext4, which is known for its reliability and performance. Another file system you might encounter is f2fs, which is optimized for flash memory and offers improved performance on newer devices. You can use ADB commands to navigate and manipulate files and directories within these file systems. This can be useful for debugging apps, managing system files, and even recovering lost data. Section 7. The Power of Understanding, Unlocking a World of Possibilities. Understanding Android OS internals might seem daunting at first, but it's like gaining a superpower over your smartphone. You can troubleshoot issues, customize settings, and unlock hidden features. ADB becomes your trusty sidekick, letting you control your phone from your computer, and rooting empowers you to personalize your device to the max. Section 8. Conclusion. Keep exploring and experimenting. We've only scratched the surface of Android OS internals in this journey. There's a vast and fascinating world waiting to be explored. So, keep experimenting, digging deeper, and don't be afraid to get your hands dirty with ADB commands, routing tools, and file system exploration. The more you learn, the more you'll realize the true potential of your Android device.